Got it. Shh.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harnett County, south central Wake County, Johnston County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Angier, Oregon, 12 miles northeast of Lillington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Garner, Fuquay-Varina, Clayton, Angier, Micro, Selma, Four Oaks, Pine Level, and Coast Crossroads. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has produced wind damage in Lee County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Johnston, and Wake.